Mag-intro tayo dito. Dito tayo intro.
Wala nang intro yan.
Walang intro. May intro to.
Wala lang.
Sabay tayo tumal.
Be, asang ka, be?
Ay, ano, nasa likod mo.
What's up, y'all?
What's up? What's up?
First video namin to. So, wala kaming hiya.
Okay, let's go. Saan tayo?
Ipe-play ata to, be. Tapos magke-create ako ng party. Dito tayo sa story because story na. Sige na. Oh my gosh, may takbuhang cursor here. May takbuhan option.
Route,
Oh my God, there's
sprint.
sprints.
Alam mo, sprint
And-
lang naman yung gagawin ko.
Ako, crouch. Magtatago lang ako.
Few hours
few-
before the investigation.
I was waiting for you.
Shit!
I'm rather busy these last time with some things.
Okay,
There are
shit.
several cases of disappearances in a village. We will give you more information
Sir,
soon. So just prepare to go away from here a few hours. That's all. You can go.
Oh my God, kailangan ko to seryoso.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, sige na, Mia.
Oh my God. So we are... Be! So, as you can see guys, we are abandoned. I don't know anong gagawin natin. We just follow this path, be. Let's go. Follow.
What if I don't want
Follow.
you?
May natawag, eh. Sino nagdala ng phone?
Oh my gosh, be, not me.
Hello, can you hear me? I guess the director explained the situation. I know you are a very competent investigator, but stay on your guard. This case is really strange. Let me know if you find anything.
If you think this case is really strange, why you send us here? Gigigil. Oh my God, ano yun? Nabahan ako dun. Kumikinang lang pal. Hindi pa nagsisimula, natatakot na ako.
What is this? Oh, a pizza.
Ano, kailangan ba isa-isa tayo dito? Ay, kailangan natin mahanap, be, para mabuksan natin to.
Ano to? Alam mo yung ano? Yung palabas na... Ano yun? Yung Disney.
Disney?
Oh, yung may isang mata. Ang kulay green. Yung cute yung monster.
I don't know
You
it, be.
gotta bring me.
I don't know. Oy, tao po, dadaan lang po.
Ano tong flashlight na to? Naghihingalo na.
Ay, may flashlight pala.
Wala din, te. Hey, we have to read this. You found a page. Hindi pala kailangan i-read.
Be,
Bakit? Ay, kala ko naman mo.
where is the other part? Oh my gosh, I cannot see anything. Wait,
Wala
let
ata
me
dito, be.
just increase the temperature.
Kala ko tempered glass eh. Brightness.
Wala na tayo dito.
Hindi pa, be. Ano to? Be, may $5 akong nakuha. Oh my God, $10.
Pwede bang i-ano yan in real life, i-withdraw? May nakita ako ditong green. Saan ba yung ano, isang...
Be,
diba?
nakuha ko na.
Nawala na. Where is the...
Mahiwagang.
Tatahimik.
Kala ko wala ka na agad eh.
Okay, tapos, let me just sprint. Mayroon pang bahay doon, no?
Wow.
Wow.
Mayroon pang bahay doon, no?
Paano tumakbo? Wow. Wow.
I We need a
Ano yan?
crowbar. We need a crowbar. Crowbar. I'm so sorry guys, it's mali yung pronunciation ko. But, yun na yun. Naiintindihan nyo naman ako.
Ba't parang kasalanan pa ng manonood? Walang kwenta yung flashlight eh.
May malakas siya sa labas.
Kaya nga eh, sa loob hindi. Ano yun? Sa maliwanag malakas. Sa madilim hindi.
Wait.
Ano yun? Flash.
Hindi nabubuksan yung mga
Dark.
drawer.
Ka.
Hindi nabubuksan
What
yung
do we have
mga,
here?
mga thing. Wait lang. I feel like we need to go to the other house. Ayun o, yung house na yun.
Which house?
Ito be, yung nandito. Basta pwede ko siya ma-describe.
Layo naman.
Wala.
Eh, no,
Wala,
ano
wala
yung
yung-
madilim, yun pa yung mas pinapadilim ng flashlight.
Let's just move. Pwede ba dumaan dito? Parang hindi ata pwede.
Ooh.
Ay, ito! Oh! Passage! Oh my gosh, be! I don't want to go first! Hindi, sige na nga.
Eh.
Wala naman nangyari.
Hindi, nagbago isip ah.
Ang wala namang kwenta yung flashlight, pare ko.
Uy!
Why?
Ba't wala ang flashlight ko?
Ano ba yan?
Walang crowbar? Asan ba yung crowbar? Magbabar na lang ako. Charot. Hindi.
Iba yun. Iba yun.
Iba pala yun. Sorry.
Ba't nawawala yung ilaw?
Flashlight yung... Basta sa kabilang bahay ka?
Check mo nga. No, na ano yung flashlight ko eh.
Okay naman, be.
Okay. Okay.
Ano pa to, be? Parang goal ba natin magnakaw lang ng pera dito?
Yes.
It doesn't like...
We have to go up.
Oh my gosh. What if nandun siya sa taas?
Grabe, nag-effort pa siyang umakyat. Uy!
Nothing's here.
Girl!
What?
Did you hear that?
No. Why?
May narinig akong
What happened? Be, I am scared. I am scared. I am scared.
You already have this score. Ay, okay.
Ay, may yellow na rin ba tayo dun sa baba?
Yeah.
Bakit ba ayaw niya magbukas? Is there something wrong here? At some point, hindi ko na nakikita kung nasaan yung crowbar.
You can like zipline.
Sige be, wait lang. Pabalik doon?
Yeah, tingnan nga natin. Ang cool. Where is it?
Wala be, ang kulang natin yung crowbar para makaproceed tayo sa ano. Wala pa tayong blue. Yung yellow be, nandun sa kabila. Pwede kaya kung ano?
Ano?
Like, mag-zipline pataas ulit.
Nandun ba?
Nandun yung ano, yung yellow nandun sa kabilang bahay. Even
Ito
see
ba, no?
this. Okay. Let go. Oh my gosh, Be! Oh my gosh! Be! Don't leave me!
I am not built for this.
Sige.
Ayan!
Crowbar lang pala. Ay, sorry.
We have to leave this place. Wow! Big man!
Wow.
Big man!
Good,
Big man!
good, good.
Big man! Nino, Nino.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. What is this? Oh, it's just a box. I always forgot na meron pala tayong flashlight. Oh my gosh. I am scared, babe. I'm scared.
Eh, wala akong matutulong, be. Ako din.
Ano? Crowbar na naman. Ganun ba yun? Ano, babalik tayo ulit?
I think we have to
Go
go
ba?
sa other way.
But what kind of way?
The easy way.
But
Ito.
where? Be? Be? I don't understand why are you not moving?
I keep hearing things.
Be, we need this.
Di mo ba narinig? Di mo
No!
ba naririnig yun?
No!
May parang baba.
Be, it's a girl because her name is Ophelia. Oh my gosh!
Finish
Be! Be! Be, narinig ko yung boses niya. Parang siyang, oo. Akala ko background mo yun, Be.
No! Naka-crouch!
What are you doing?
Because I'm scared.
What's up?
Sige, let's go. I can hear him. Him, hindi her. Oh my gosh! Be, it's familiar. It's familiar. It's
Bakit?
Hindi. Umaatras ka kasi.
Ina-adjust ko yung ano ko. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Be.
Grabe naman siya makaiyak. Ano? Uy, nasan na yung kasama? Ay, pala.
Be, it's coming closer. Be, it's coming closer. I
Ano
seriously.
malapit tayo, te?
Hindi, I mean, the sound is like.
Though a deer, a female deer, break a drop of cold inside me, and then I call myself,
Be,
but
by
I know it's
By Vinci Perfetti.
so
Be, magsabay nga tayo ng music na alam natin dalawa.
ABC.
It's the midnight sun kiss in a matter when and rain on your chest like.
Just like this.
Ah!
Eme, si sister may pinagdadaanan, girlhood, kailangan natin siya support.
I-comfort. We need to comfort her.
Be, mas natatakot pa ako kasi sa morgue na nila. Parang kung hihimatayin dito. Be, I feel like we need to stop her from crying. Remember, if ever na mag-jump scare siya, magpikit lang tayo ng mata. You're seriously. Be, asan?
Sino ba naman hindi iiyak? Nasa kaduluduluhan ka ng cave.
Let's appreciate the view.
Be! How can you appreciate the view if the girl is crying? Be, matapang tayo.
I'm not!
Oh my gosh. Be, mag-ingay, mag-ano lang tayo. Sige, magpapatugtog ako dito. It's the midnight sun kiss in a mirror red ray on your chest like this.
Ikaw ba una?
Ayoko!
Wait lang.
Be, umuubo siya. Ibig sabihin tao siya.
What the heck? It's just a radio.
What the fuck?
Nagtagal tayo pa.
Oh, but you guessed. How unexpected. Welcome, stranger.
I'm...
Be, may kamay! May kamay!
Slay! Grabe yung pagturo niyo sa akin. Be?
Naka-cutics ba siya, be?
No, but yung nails niya ang haba. Dito daw.
No, exit is here.
Huh?
Dito, di ba yung exit na sa kabila?
What do you mean?
Oh my god, babe! Babe!
What?
Babe, tignan mo. What the fuck is this?
631 382.
3-8 tang. 3-8 tang. Oh my gosh!
I don't like this. 6.
Read it in the lobby? Read it in the lobby. Be, ano to? Wait lang.
Wala yan. 631.
631.
Wait,
382.
wait lang.
Hanapin ko, be.
Wait lang. 631 is wrong.
382.
Oh, teka lang. 382.
May isa pa.
Teka lang.
Sinabi ko lang, be!
Oh, tama na. Let's get out of here.
Tama?
Saan?
Ito ba yung may nag-green?
Saan? Okay.
Naka-ready na background music ko, be.
Rules are simple. When I say stop, you must not move.
Hello? Oh,
Otherwise, you have lost.
When I say stop, you must not move. Otherwise, you have lost.
Wait lang!
Be!
Kailangan ko yung ano.
Saan ba?
Stop.
don't move! Don't
Be?
move.
What
Don't
happened?
move. Don't move. Run.
Be! Ano to? Endless? Ay.
Medyo nahihirap na. Kakalimutan ko na kung paano huminga.
Be, you can move your, Okay, let's go.
Pati ako hindi nagalaw, shit!
You cannot be seriously... Oh. Okay.
Akala ko lang naman isang diretso. Bakit ang haba dito bigla?
Be?
I don't like this.
Be, malapit na tayo. Malapit na natin makita ang liwanag. Oh my gosh!
Ano ba to? Ba't parang...
No way. Eh? Can we run? Yes.
You. But I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck.
Okay lang yan. Mabubuhay ka ulit.
No, I'm stuck with that. But I'm stuck na. How am I supposed to move?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Nasaan ka ba?
You should have these dreams coming over you, you know? You will feel better once everything is over. You will become like us. I'll come back to see you once you're ready.
I don't want.
I'm dead.
Dead ka na.
I'm dead. I feel like.
Nasaan ka?
Babe, where are you?
Nasaan?
Sa prison ako. Parang prison.
Ay,
Parang...
Ako din. Okay.
Kaya nga, nasa room.
Okay. Akala ko.
Babe.
Yay!
Ay, kala ko naglayo tayo. Yay!
Okay.
You know what, be? If you... Shiba.
Flower gleaming blue.
Make your flower shine. Make the clock reverse. Ah!
Ano ba yan? Press all buttons. Ayoko.
Babe, we don't have a
Ayoko
choice.
na, babe.
Ilang beses na rin natin na-try yun, di ba?
Flower gleaming blue.
Babe, wag ka lumayo! Babe, puta! Babe, ba't ka na yun? Babe, andito! Ang dami pang buttons, babe!
Teka lang. Let me breathe. Teka lang ha. Di pa ako nakaka-move on sa nangyari kanina eh.
What the fuck? What is that?
So nagba-vibrate siya pagka malapit siya.
Ganon?
I don't know.
Di ko
Parang
ramdam
may
eh.
hahabol sa atin dito eh.
Yeah, nafe-feel ko na rin, be. 1, 2,
Wait lang.
3.
Wait lang, di ba? Wait lang.
Oo, be.
Wait lang. Tinatayimingan. Ikaw muna.
What if mag-scrouch lang tayo?
Come closer, don't be afraid. Alam mo kaya namamatay yung mga tao sa horror movies kasi ganyan. Come closer, don't be
No, we need to crouch here. B! Unahin mo na kaya natin.
tayo. Dito muna.
Dito tayo, be. Oo, be. Kasi medyo malawak yun dun sa kabila. Be, wag ka na, be. Be, wag ka ba dun?
Ay, kala ko.
Yung nagsalita kami, nagulat ako.
Kasalanan ko pa.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
My name is Spargo, and you tell me.
That is pitch black. Are you seriously? Be, we should not do this anymore! Wait lang.
Come closer. Don't be afraid.
Sige, be. Be, dito tayo, be. Be!
Wait lang, lumapit boses niya.
Oh, my love!
My darling.
May nakita pa akong button dun sa may sa may hallway, yung...
Tulungan.
Yeah. Hindi ako makadiretso kung malapit pala siya. Ayan o, dediretso kasi tayo dyan. Sige nga.
Wait!
Get ready for a surprise.
Tangina, may be. May ganito.
Tell me.
We are stuck. Be, where are you?
Na-on ko na yung na parang padiretso.
Okay. Dito tayo dadaan? Dito, Be. Be! Asan ka, Be?
Teka lang. Dito.
Be! Be!
Bakit?
Be! I'm scared!
Nasa elevator ako.
Be! Dito ka sa malayo! Pati
Pindutin mo na kung may mapipindot ka.
Potek naman, Be! 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 Be!
Okay, 7.
Yay!
Get ready for a surprise.
Tingnan natin. Oh, ano yun? Wow, look oh. Tingnan mo. Cool. Ay,
Bakit?
Closer. Don't be
oh,
afraid.
panis.
Oh!
Oh.
Surprise.
Why do you hurt?
My name is Spargo, and you tell
Sige, Be. Ako dun sa kabila.
Be, anong kabila yan? Andyan siya!
Be! 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 Be!
Parang may matutulong ako.
We?
Oh, pero nandito ako sa starting point.
Be, di ko na nakikita yung nakikita ko!
Dali kita! Where are you?
I don't know! I just want to die! Be, I feel like I'm in the starting point in the life of the life. Be, kanina pa ako tumatakbo!
Ha?
Kanina pa ako tumatakbo.
Maghanap ka ng bottle!
Be, nandito ako sa starting point! Nandito ako sa starting point! You're listening like no other! Be, tara! Crash na crash! Here I see
I have to go back.
Crash na crash!
Wait, I'm lost!
As if there was no best I found the ano! I found the last! Be, I found like no other. Telling my day in the heart until the dawn. Be, paano ko lalayas?
Nandito na ako.
Be! Be, samahan mo ako!
Pindutin to kahit hindi buo.
Sige nga! Yeah!